This is the hardest stock there is to trade is Tesla. It's going to be a roller coaster, as you can see every day now. By the way, Tesla bounced on 467.50, came all the way back up to resistance of 477, pulled back to VWAP, but you guys are in a nice little channel here. You guys see this channel? I actually love this spot for a long, but I have my stop just below VWAP, right? It's because you got to be careful. We ping-ponged. We hit here, but we hit here. The reason I'm saying this is such a good spot is because my risk is the smallest it could possibly be here, but we have the nice potential upside to here. So my risk is tiny. Look at this. This is my risk. This is my reward. Everybody see this?
Hey, real quick question. Does it give more significance when the 921, 55, and VWAP are all like on top of each other?
100%. Yep, because you already know it's a make or break moment. That's why I said I love it when it all is consolidated. That's why I said this is everything, right? I love that because we already know. And by the way, Christina and everybody else who loves Strangles and Straddles, isn't this the perfect opportunity at this level, right? Because this would be our kill on the puts. And then down here, right, would be the kill of the calls. And you guys can see it, right? It wouldn't be that low, but you guys see what I mean, right? Because this is the absolute gold level right here. We have one of two ways. We're either going to break through this 477 and attempt to make that new high again, or we're going to come breaking right back down through this thing and looking for that quad bottom, right? So this is everything. Just remember, when in doubt, straddle it out. That is a call and a put. So if you guys were doing it off this level, right, we'd have a call and a put would look like this. That way it can decide what it wants to go. Notice it's breaking through the level to the downside. If this candle holds, this is where we're in puts. So we would have killed the call and now we're in puts. And now we're looking for it to come back down to 467.52, right? This is why I said this 474 was the upper resistance level. And this gold level was everything. Above is a call, below is a put. Does that make sense to everybody in the room? That's why I love when it's all jammed together. It is such a clear, definitive way, right? Tesla, though, you guys need to know, obviously, since some of you haven't traded Tesla before, since now people are now talking about it again, I need you guys to know what violent swings Tesla has throughout the day. It's going to be a roller coaster, as you can see every day now. Every day, we're going to get all sorts of roller coaster rides. I need you guys to understand that. This is the old Tesla. This is where people jump all in and then get all out, and then jump all in and get all. It's going to be constant and forever while we're up here in these highs. If you cannot stomach that, you cannot trade it. It will be the hardest stock to trade. And I've been saying this since the day I got in here 4 years ago. This is the hardest stock there is to trade is Tesla. So please use caution. Yes? Okay, good.